The Indian startups have been making significant strides on the global stage, rapidly emerging as key players in the international business ecosystem. With a combination of innovation, adaptability, and a strong entrepreneurial spirit, these startups are not only capturing the domestic markets but also expanding their influence across the globe. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. India's ascent on the global tech map is fueled by innovative thinking that leverages the country's strengths in technology, entrepreneurship, and problem solving. The supportive startup ecosystem in India, bolstered by government initiatives like Startup India, provides a strong foundation for growth. Access to venture capital, incubators, and accelerators helps startups scale rapidly. Many Indian startups are strategically entering global markets to diversify and increase their market share. Indian startups are at the forefront of adopting and creating cutting edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, and fintech solutions. These technologies enable them to solve complex problems and create products that resonate globally. Secondly, many startups are born out of the need to address specific challenges in India, such as access to healthcare, education, and financial services. These solutions often have universal appeal, allowing companies to expand internationally. There has been a significant increase in funding from both domestic and international investors. High profile venture capital firms and global tech giants are investing heavily in Indian startups, fueling their growth and global expansion. Now, Indian startups are strategically entering international markets, often targeting developing economies with similar challenges or developed markets with a demand for innovative solutions. Collaborations with global companies as well as strategic acquisitions have enabled startups to scale quickly and integrate into the international markets. While Indian startups are making waves globally, they face challenges such as navigating regulatory environments, manage cross border operations, and dealing with intense competition. However, these challenges also present opportunities for growth and learning, positioning Indian startups as formidable players in the global arena. Moving forward, Indian startups are not only contributing to the country's economic growth, but are also making a significant impact globally. As they continue to innovate and expand, the world can expect to see more Indian companies emerging as leaders in various industries. Let's look into today's headlines. Elon Musk's XAI supercomputer with 100,000 NVIDIA GPUs goes online. Elon Musk has reportedly assembled a new supercomputer, Colossus, running 100,000 NVIDIA GPUs in 4 months. In a tweet, Musk mentioned that the supercomputer based in Memphis, Tennessee, is now online after the city initially announced the project back in June and was completed in 122 days. He also claimed that Colossus is the most powerful AI training system in the world. The NVIDIA GPU costs around $30,000, implying Musk spent at least $3 billion to build the new supercomputer. Apple to adopt OLED displays across all iPhones by 2025, marking a significant shift from liquid crystal displays, that is LCDs. Apple is fully transitioning its iPhone lineup to organic light emitting diode, that is OLED displays by 2025. Apple's complete migration to OLED screens will have notable implications for its current suppliers like Japanese firms Sharp Corp and Japan Display, who have been key providers of LCD screens for Apple's devices. Apple has reportedly started placing orders for OLED panels for its forthcoming iPhone SE model. SiFi bags NVIDIA DGX Ready data center certification for liquid cooling. SiFi Technologies has become a co-location partner with the NVIDIA DGX Ready data center program certified for liquid cooling. The certification represents SiFi's data center deployment solution specifications to support 130 kilowatt per rack capacity. With the DGX platform and its supporting infrastructure technology ecosystem, SiFi's enterprise customers can get access to high density supercomputing, which is offered through AI infrastructure solutions and accessible through a co location footprint. Instagram to allow publicly visible comments for stories. Instagram has announced a new feature, Comments in Stories, a few days ago during the launch of Creator Lab in India. Previously, Instagram did not offer any way to publicly comment on stories of others, but the new feature allows users to comment on someone's stories with these comments visible to other users. Comments on stories will be viewable for 24 hours following the story's posting. Intel launches Core Ultra 200V processors. Intel has unveiled its latest family of processors, the Intel Core Ultra 200V series. These new processors promise a significant leap in performance, power efficiency, graphics capabilities, and AI compute, setting a new standard for mobile computing. The Core Ultra 200V series is designed to meet these demands, ushering in an era of AI PCs that offer a blend of power and intelligence. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.